Love it when the postman calls. He doesn't really call, but he delivers, doesn't he? Or she. Anyway, let's take a look. This is from Switzerland. So it's about to be something very, very interesting. From the Swiss Army knife shop. Oh, now you're talking. Now you're talking. Oh, I like it. Looks good to me. Looks very good to me. So, let's take the little one first. Oh my God, look at that. Let's zoom in here. So, you've guessed, this is the Victorinox Cadet. Here's your can opener. I love when I can see the oil on the blade. A flathead. A cap remover, wire stripper. Oh man. Large blade. And the nail file. Oh, it's nice and sharp. And it's a nail cleaner as well. So, the second part of the delivery. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. It is absolutely beautiful. This is a Pioneer. But it's the pruner. And this one has got the amazing and very sharp hawkbill blade. Look at that. It's incredible. Look how slim it is. Looks good. That is a must have for collectors. These are stunning. I mean, they look good online, but when you hold them in your paw, they are stunning. Oh, look at that. I'm just kind of speechless at the moment. Yeah. So there you go. That is today's delivery, and I'm pretty excited. Wow. Special thanks to the Swiss Army Knife Shop on eBay. This guy is just the best. He's super professional, super fast, and his prices are very, very good. Free shipping. Very hard to beat. He's the best. Here. So there you go. Job done. Enough said.